Hey superstar, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maryam Kapama. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you're newish, hi, and please go ahead and click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so become part of the fame bam, so you can move in together. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a very powerful hair mask. But also, if you're a returning supporter, regular watcher, day one subscriber, thank you very much for tuning in. I'm going to show you how to prepare a very powerful hair mask that consists of aloe vera, avocado, banana, and we're also going to need a blender and a bowl and to mix stuff up. To start with, I'm going to tell you what we're also going to need. We're going to need an aloe vera, a banana, as I've already said, but this banana should be a very ripe banana, and also we're going to need very ripe avocado because they are so potent and they're so good at growing your natural hair, and they're going to reveal your curly pattern. As you've already known, an egg is really packed with protein and it's really good at volumizing your hair. Before we begin using the aloe vera, we're going to soak the aloe vera to remove those yellow stains that are going to give you itchy sensation, and make sure you wash it thoroughly because you don't want that in your scalp. Go ahead and chop the aloe vera into tiny pieces to extract the aloe vera gel. Here, aloe vera gel is really good at growing your hair. It's packed with a lot of minerals, the magnesium, the calcium, the zinc, the iron. They're all fully packed in the aloe vera. So it's very nice at growing your hair longer, defined, voluminous, and a lot more. So this is the portion that I'm going to use of aloe vera, and I'm also going to add a very ripe banana. A very ripe banana is really good at stimulating hair growth because it's packed with nutrients and it's at its peak when it comes to potent. It's very ripe and every properties in there, it's at its maximum best, so it's perfect for the hair. Same to aloe vera. Use an aloe vera that is really ripe, and in my case today we are using 2 aloe veras. Aloe vera, why am I saying aloe vera? I'm saying avocado. Avocado. Here is the mixture of all of them: avocado, aloe vera, and banana in the bowl. And please, at this point, please subscribe to my channel because I'm providing values in here. We're going to blend it up, and now we're going to filter it, and we're going to use a bit of cloth that's going to filter it because we're not going to have those chunkies in our hair, so we must remove them by using a soft piece of cloth like so, the way I'm doing over there. However, this mask is really powerful when it comes to stimulating hair growth because we are adding an egg which has properties that are good at volumizing your hair and defining your hair pattern. However, this is sweet almond oil. We're going to add 30 cc of this into our mixer, so as we are going to have no frizzy after we are done deep conditioning. Make sure you whip it thoroughly so that you get everything mixed up in the mixture, so we get a perfect hair mask. Here, I believe this is going to be enough for my hair. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Not really, because just watch to the very end and I'm going to show you how to apply this hair mask to your hair. However, this is me already applied it to the rest of the hair, like into sections. Now I'm in the last section and I'm doing it into tiny small section within that big section. So this is how you should do your hair. Part section that will help you to apply and to make sure each single hair strand in your head is coated with the mask as I'm doing so. At this point, I'm approaching the end of my hair mask, and my measurement were really poor because it's really not enough for my hair. I have a lot of hair, so disclaimer: if you have longer hair, volume hair, please go ahead and just adjust the ingredients. At this point, I'm on a very severe mathematics trying to calculate how I'm going to finish this portion of my hair, but I don't want to end up disappointed because I want all of my hair to be coated. At this point, I'm just trying, really trying, and it's really not working, and I'm just living on a philosophy that says sharing is caring, because I'm going to use the previous section to to transfer some mask, because those portions, the sections at the back, they're really saturated. That's why I'm able to share. So whenever you're applying your mask, make sure it's so saturated. And at this point, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you wear a shower cap. Follow me on all my social media accounts, and until next time, I'm going to see you guys. Bye bye.